Thank you very much. It's a great honor to be with President al-Sisi of Egypt. We have many things to discuss, as you can imagine, military, trade, and I have to say that a lot of progress has been made in a lot of different ways in terms of terrorism and other things with Egypt and within Egypt. It's really incredible what's happened, especially in certain respects that we've already talked about. But we will be meeting with representatives of the president and of Egypt in a little while. Again, we have very, very important things militarily to talk about and also about trade. Big trading partner. We do a lot of work together. We work together. And I think we've never had a better relationship, Egypt and the United States, than we do right now. So I want to thank everybody for being here. And Mr. President, thank you very much. Thank you, my friend.
شكرا جزيلا فخامة الرئيس. اسمح لي ان انا اشكرك على الدعوة الكريمة لزيارة الولايات المتحدة ولقاء فخامة الرئيس والتحدث في عمل نقلة نوعية للعلاقة الاستراتيجية بين مصر والولايات المتحدة الأمريكية.
Thank you, Mr. President. Allow me to express my thanks for your kind invitation and for providing me this opportunity to meet and talk about making a quantum leap in the strategic relationship between Egypt and the United States.
خليني أأكد فخامة الرئيس إن العلاقات فعلا في أفضل حالاتها يمكن على مدار سنوات طويلة جدا مضت.
Let me emphasize, Mr. President, that the relations have not been better over the years of our bilateral relations.
وأنا عشان كده بوجه لفخامة الرئيس كل الشكر والتقدير والتحية على ذلك.
And that is why I'm extending, Mr. President, to you all the thanks, appreciation, and greetings for all the
هذا الفضل يرجع لفخامة الرئيس ودعمه لمصر في المجالات المختلفة اللي احنا بنتكلم نسعى إلى تطوير العلاقات في المجالات في كل المجالات السياسية والاقتصادية والاستثمارية والعسكرية والثقافية.
All the credit goes to you, Mr. President. Thank you very much for your support on all fronts. This is what we're seeking to promote our bilateral relations in various fields: political, economic, military, cultural, and others.
Thank you very much.
Well, thank you. And I just have to say, before we perhaps take a couple of questions, the First Lady was recently in Egypt. She was treated beautifully, but maybe even more importantly, what she saw with the pyramids was, you could call it the seventh wonder or the eighth wonder of the world. She thought it was incredible. She thought it was one of the most incredible things she's seen. And we have lots of pictures, and that was a great day and a great moment to see the pyramids, the Great Pyramids. So hopefully a lot of people will be going and looking at them, but she's not easily impressed. She was very impressed. So thank you very much.
Mr. President,
Mr. Jeff.
Cleaning house at DHS. What would you like to achieve?
Well, I never said I'm cleaning house. I don't know who came up with that expression. We have a lot of great people over there. We have bad laws. We have a judge that just ruled incredibly that he doesn't want people staying in Mexico. Figure that one out. Nobody can believe these decisions we're getting from the Ninth Circuit. It's a disgrace. And so we're fighting the bad laws, the bad things that are coming out of Congress. You have a Democrat Congress that's obstructing. You talk about obstruction, the greatest obstruction anyone's ever seen.